Welcome to Advanced Components FastenerLab. I'm Mallory Nichols, a sales manager with Advance. Today we are featuring Gage Bilt tools, specifically the GB722TCKL. This is an installation toolkit for truck and trailer maintenance. It's used for blind rivets and lock bolts. This would be great if you are working on a Wabash, a Freightliner, Mack, Peterbilt, or really any other truck or trailer. So let's see what's inside. As you can see, everything is in this very convenient toolbox just to keep everything in one place. First, we've got the heavy-duty GB722. It is a pneumatic hydraulic tool. It can be used at any angle, weighs about 5 pounds, and should be able to be used with just one hand. We've also got this handy sleeve. It catches any of the extra stems that come off of the part. Then we've got our nose assemblies. This kit comes with 4 different ones. The first one we're going to look at is this 6-inch long. This is going to be great for places that are hard to reach. This is the MG06 72260, and it is used on 3/16 Magna-Grip lock bolts. The next 3 are all going to be 2-inch nose assemblies. This first one is the MG08 72220, and it's used on 1/4 Magna-Grip lock bolts. The next one is used on 3/16 lock bolts, and it is the LB06 72220. This last one can be used on 3/16 and 1/4 structural blind rivets. It is the MGLC 68 752A21. Then we've just got a few Allen wrenches and things to help with the nose assemblies. And there also is this kind of handy attachment, and then you can use it to carry the gun or to hang it for storage. Everything in this kit is in stock at Advance and ready to be shipped to you, so please contact us if you need assistance on this. If you need any other nose assemblies for this tool, we've got those as well. The last thing about this kit that is fantastic is that it comes with an awesome Gage Bilt hat. Thank you for watching FastenerLab, and we will see you next time.